Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm gonna start it off with this Datadog Microsoft news. Basically, Datadog announced they're partnering with Microsoft, and so Microsoft will be able to use Datadog's or cloud service rather. Datadog is basically, the little brief on here gives it a great brief. It's the basically stores data and cloud storage, and it monitors the data analytics platform for developers, automates infrastructure monitoring. Yeah, it's Datadog. It's a good name for it. So basically, the news with them partnering with Microsoft went crazy. We caught it like pretty much on this first candle. I didn't go crazy on it, but I wanted to show you guys another example of implied volatility and how it works. So if you watched my video yesterday, I showed how my Nikola puts, even though the share price is much lower, the Nikola puts have lost a lot of value. This thing's almost in the money, this Nikola put right here, so you can't see that. However, it's down 78%. I mean, given Nikola's rallied a couple times, but when I got into this, Nikola's the same price. Anyways, on this one, it's a much more clear example. However, you can't see it because this isn't live, but basically I picked up an option here. I went real small, just one contract. I didn't get the expiration for this Friday. I got it for next Friday. Yeah, next Friday. There was like no volume on any of these when I picked it up. I had a couple different orders out here, all of them for about 5 or 10 cents. And then yeah, I got filled on this one. Now there's tons of volume on that. That's crazy. And I got it filled at, I don't know, I think 10 cents. Yeah, so I only got one at 10 cents. Hindsight, would have gotten my whole account on it. However, don't have hindsight. And yeah, basically got it here, and it just ran up like crazy. By the time it got to about here, it was pretty much only green, and it was still, confirming news, and it was spreading. And let's see, this was at 11:05. Usually by an hour, if you're just trying to do a quick flip, I say by an hour is it's not gonna go further than that. Given the next day or whatever, it could have continuation, it could do a lot of stuff. But if you're trying to just sell out of a few quick, usually within an hour. So here would have been about 30 minutes. Then you get this red candle. That was the first red on the 5-minute. And when it was right here, this option was worth, actually you can't see that very well. Let me do this. There we go. This option was worth, it was about 1,000% when it was right here. So it's a tiny play, but yeah, basically this was worth $100 from $10. Cost $10 was worth about $100 if I sold it right then. And I wanted to hold it. I only had one of them, and it was really cheap, so I was like, no big deal. I did think it'd keep running too. So then I had this little consolidation period here, and then after this though, the option contract went down to like 700%, and then 600%, and then it stayed about 600% all through here, even though the share price was higher. Share price came up even to here, 104, and it was maybe 700%, but the contract was worth more right here. Right here, 700%, and then finally this candle, maybe this candle, then it went back up to 700, 800, 900, 1,000, and then around here like 11 or 1,200. So it had to come way back, break that resistance, and solid few green candles with some volume, and then it had more value. And now, as you see, red candle consolidation, kind of flattening out a little bit. But look, this came all the way down to 200% from 1,000, so it came down over 800%. It was really like 11 or 1,200 when it was up here. And so yeah, that's just showing implied volatility. I'm still holding it. I think this thing, I don't know, I think it'll keep going. It didn't, that's a huge partnership in my opinion. Good for Microsoft, but definitely good for Datadog. So we'll see tomorrow. I mean, I've got till next Friday on this thing, and I don't know if this thing gets in the money. Let me just show you. So if it was that day, if it was in the money, it'll be worth, 200, 400, something crazy. So yeah, we'll see. Might not get into the money, but might, and that would be sick. real small play, just to give you a little example. And that's Datadog. So honestly, I wouldn't mind Datadog in my long term, but I'm not gonna do it now. It'll pull back from the news with Microsoft at some point probably. SPY today, yeah, I was really bullish opening up, and then kind of just some bearish volatility coming in, trying to keep it down. So it'll probably be red tomorrow, I'm assuming, because I think we're still in a downtrend for sure. On the hour chart, it kind of crossed the 180, but I think we're on a downtrend. I still have yeah, here's the news. I still have the all my put plays on my ETrade account. So these have lost a lot of value with the the market doing this, a lot of ups and downs and big swings. But yeah, they could come back. We have a couple big red days. They'll come back. I open up this Peloton debit spread for, let's see, 9th of October. So that's a really short one. Peloton actually didn't do very good today. So I don't know. We'll see about that one. Yeah, I don't know. These indicators are showing me it's gonna stay red, but we will see. I might try and trim some of these if they get back up to break even, just because this account, I need more capital to do the credit spreads that I want to do, and I've got a lot of exposure on this bearish outlook. So in the long term, yeah, we're up today. One point we're up 322, and then it kind of sold off here with the SPY. Our covered calls, they're all doing good. I think they'll all probably expire worthless. However, space, let's see, space might not. No, it probably will. Space dropped 6% today. Just a kind of a reaction from the overreaction it had. The overreaction was, I don't know, analysts giving it a buy rating or whatever, changing their price target, whatever it was. And now it's coming back down, chilling back out. So this probably will go, I only got $6 credit on it. That's funny. So anyways, yeah, that's that space. Kodak, there's a lot of premium on these. So I think this one will expire worthless too, which is nice, $76 credit. These debit spreads, not too good. They'll probably go bad. The only thing really green on the overall right now is Tesla. I guess space also. But yeah, not a whole lot happening. Tomorrow I'll open up another SPY credit spread, most likely. And oh yeah, the GM shares I sold a call on, $20. But yeah, Datadog, that news is pretty sick. Hopefully that thing keeps running. I feel like it will. Like I said, this is only a $10 position, so I'm gonna ride it out quite a while. Maybe just wait till expiration and see what happens. Maybe I'll exercise this one. It'll be fun. Yeah, that's it for me, guys. Hopefully you're doing all right in the market today. Let me know in the comments below. Comment down, sub up, like up, make your money happy money. So stick around. We will see you tomorrow. And then, wait, is tomorrow the debate tonight? I don't know. I watched the debate last night. That was hilarious. All right, peace out.